On this simple tutorial, I will show you how to fix this error, camera error simply. So first go to settings from your system, scroll down to troubleshoot, other troubleshooter, and go and click for run. Then go to apps and click on installed apps. Click here and type camera. Click on these three dots, advanced options, scroll down, click on repair. Try now to run the camera. The problem still there. Click on reset. Click once again on camera. So the problem persists. Now go and click on the Windows updates. So if you have any new updates, all you have to do is to go and download, then click on install, as I am doing here. It may take some time, but at the end your camera will be fixed and your problem will be fixed. So if you found that this video is helpful, do not hesitate to subscribe, comment and like our video. Thank you so much.